Hi, this is Dr. Harry. Can too much salt weaken your immune system? Well, according to some recent studies, that might very well be the case. Now, we've been told over and over again to really watch the salt in our diet because the major concerns have been hypertension that could increase our risk of things like stroke and cardiovascular disease. But in the age where we're really concerned about our immunity, recent research actually points to the fact that increasing our salt intake can actually decrease our immune system. Now, initially, these studies were done in animals, and it was found that a higher salt diet actually weakened the immune system and exposed these animals to increased bacterial infections. But studies looking at human beings also found a similar concept. They found that just one additional teaspoon of salt daily actually can decrease the immune system. Now, how can that possibly be, and what possible mechanisms could be in place here? Now, researchers, in attempting to explain this mechanism, what they looked at was that the kidneys primarily filter out excess salt in our system because the body maintains a very specific window of the salt that is needed to help our bodies to function normally. Any excess salt is usually filtered out by a normal functioning kidney. Now, there are salt receptors on those kidney cells that detect if there are excess salt so they can know if to start filtering out more salt. But what researchers found was that activating these salt receptors in the kidney actually caused the body to make and retain more cortisol or stress hormone. And increased levels of cortisol or glucocorticoids in the blood actually suppresses the immune system and decreases the immune system's ability to fight off infections. So they found a similar mechanism in animals and in humans. So what is the recommended daily allowance of salt, of added salt? Did you know that the World Health Organization actually only recommends 1 teaspoon of added salt daily? And so this study says just an additional teaspoon of added salt, and that may be equivalent to perhaps 1 or 2 fast food meals, can actually depress your immune system. So the takeaway point here is, as your immune boosting routine, you might want to consider evaluating the amount of salt that is currently in your diet. Focus on eating fresh fruits and vegetables and preparing your own meals at home so you have control over the amount of sodium that is in your diet. So, hopefully this has been a little bit informative and gives you yet one more additional tool to add to your arsenal of boosting your immune system. This is Dr. Harry. Until next time, bye-bye.